Um, Hello everyone. Welcome to the unnecessary tool build part 1. I don't know if there's going to be any part 2 or not, but let's talk about the problem. Let's go to Qubit torrent and I'll tell you the problem. So you can see that there is a file being downloaded, and you can see that my download speed is quite bad. I mean, it's slow. This is currently 2.4 millions of bytes per second now, and the file is it's a bit big. 43 point, I mean, it's not that big. Let's assume there is a big file which is 90 GB or 110 GB. So it would take around 4 to 5 hours with this speed. So what happens is that I don't keep my PC on the whole day. So I don't keep my PC on the whole day. The problem is, if I do not keep the PC on for at least 5 hours, my download would not complete. So what I try to do for this kind of big files, I try to download them at 12 a.m. when I go to sleep. I start a download and I go to sleep. Keep my PC on the whole night until I wake up. I thought that might be a bit harmful for my PC. I don't know, but maybe. So if it is harmful, I thought, why not make a tool that automatically shuts down when the download is completed, so that it doesn't have to be turned on until I wake up. So this is basically it. When the downloads are completed, the PC will automatically shut down. All right. Let's look at the program itself. There it is. It has been built to show you guys a few seconds earlier. Alright, this is the code for it, and the program should appear in a second. What was taking this much time? This shouldn't take this much time. Alright, I'm sorry guys. This is it. So this is the auto shutdown torrent monitor, which basically checks your network usage, your CPU usage, and also checks the download folder if it is happening, if there is anything happening there, any transaction or anything like that. And also it checks the network usage, which also should work if your electricity goes out. If your electricity goes out, or if you have a problem with the internet, if the electricity goes out, your internet goes out, then the network usage is zero. So most of the time in South Asian region, I don't have an IPS, so I kind of have to turn my PC off. So in this case, what I try to do is use this kind of tool that helps me shut my PC down when I'm not home or when I'm away from my PC. So let's say I started at download this file, which is 43 GB. It will take an hour. Oh, it says a day. What? My download speed? Oh, probably there's something going on. This isn't the real speed. I'm sorry guys. Alright, so what this does, you you select the folder you're downloading in. So I'm downloading in the new volume E now. This is the game High on Life. So I select this folder, and then I start monitoring. So it automatically detects if any download is if any download is happening or not. So it detects the download and monitors it after each 30 seconds. You can check you can also configure the interval of monitor. Alright, so we'll stop monitoring right now, and I'll show you that how it works. This is a very basic tool guys. So let's click on test shutdown, and it will shut down our PC in 30 seconds. And I'll show you one more thing. So when this download ends, let's stop this here. Now first of all, let's go to Task Manager, go to Performance, and see in the Ethernet here, and in the Ethernet page we are receiving somewhat a 7 point. This is the receive here, 20.2 Mbps, let's stop this. And you'll see that it goes to like somewhat of a 48 kbps or something like that. I'm using a browser, that's why it's receiving something. If I'm not using any browser or anything like that, it won't receive anything. So now let's start the download again. It will show that we are receiving a lot more than 100 kbps. So yep, it goes to 20. And basically what this tool does is monitors your network, and based on your network usage it shuts your PC down. Probably not the best idea, but it works for me, in case of the electricity problem as well, and the game downloading scenario. And let's give it a test shutdown, and we'll see that there are a lot of programs here. There's a full File Explorer, VS Code, Chrome, and there's a task manager running. Let's test the shutdown. It says this schedule will shut down in 30 seconds. Are you sure to proceed? Yes. A PC will shut down in 30 seconds. This will say this is a command line, and yep, you'll be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. We'll close this and wait for a few seconds. Let's wait, and we should see our screen freezing here. So let's see. My screen freezes. What's going on? It should. Guys, wait. It must work. Yep. It's shut down. I'm running my cursor around. Okay. So it worked. I'll show you guys after restarting the PC. It's currently shutting down. Yep, it shut down. And let me turn my PC on again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, the PC is turning on again. Very soon we'll see this. This is why I joined from my computer as a meeting host, as a companion, so that I can show you guys this properly. This should be turned on any moment now. Yep, it turned on. I'm currently typing my password. Yes. Okay. This should go away. Yep. No one else is in the meeting. So I'll try to join again. And then you'll see that there aren't any programs running, which means the app has worked. Right. Just say join here too and share our screen. Okay, as you can see, there isn't anything. It is a complete blank, full shutdown, and a fresh turn on. Yep, this is it. That was my program. That's how it works. Basically, these are some simple functions that checks. This is the shutdown system, and this is the test shutdown. As you can, if you go up, this is the initiate shutdown, and then this is a check download activity. This is it for download activity by monitoring qubit process and network activity. And also, we go up. You can see that our styling is here. Just a very simple program, simple tool, unnecessary, but it actually solved my problem. If you guys want to check it out, it's in my GitHub, JU4700. Alright, this is it, guys. Bye.